Welcome to your 4-2-1 weekly workout plan for women. Today we're focusing on strength, cardio, and mobility, the perfect mix to tone your body, burn calories, and stay flexible. Let's begin with strength. Let's drop into squats, feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and sink low. You've got this. Stay strong, keep your weight in the heels, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Take a short breather. Next is push-ups. Choose knee or wall push-ups if you're a beginner. Hands under shoulders, core tight. Lower slowly, then press up with power. Each rep makes you stronger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe and reset. Lie on your back. Time for glute bridges. Feet flat, push through your heels and lift your hips high. Squeeze at the top, hold, and lower with control. Feel the burn in your glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Short pause before we go into cardio. Cardio time. Jumping jacks. Open those arms and legs wide. Keep the rhythm. Breathe steady, light on your feet, keep moving. Inhale, exhale, nearly there. On to quick steps, fast feet, stay light and explosive. Pump your arms. Keep the speed up. You're doing amazing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out. Final cardio move. Into mountain climbers. Bring one knee forward at a time, controlled and strong. Core tight, keep the rhythm, don't rush. This builds strength and cardio together. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Time to stretch. Downward dog. Press your hips up, heels reaching toward the floor. Relax your shoulders. Breathe deeply. Feel the stretch through your spine and hamstrings. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Ease out gently. Sit down. Bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly stretch. Gently press your knees down, sit tall, and breathe into the stretch. On to last two moves. Great job! Lie on your side. Lift your top leg forward and up. Keep it controlled. Engage your core and keep your movement smooth. After this side, we'll switch. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Great job completing today's 4-2-1 workout plan. Remember, strength builds your body, cardio boosts your heart, and mobility keeps you moving with ease. Do this routine regularly and you'll feel stronger, fitter, and more confident every week. See you next time.